In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the area of an annulus. So to find the area of one of these shapes, you need to imagine that you are just going to find the area of this part here. Okay, so just imagine that it's a donut and there's a hole in the middle. Okay, so you're literally finding the area of a donut. Now the formula for this is area equals the big outside circle minus the smaller inside circle. Okay, so to make it easier for you guys, I'll actually highlight around the border so I'm sure that you know which circle I'm talking about. Do pink and green. Okay, so we all know that the area of a circle has a formula of pi r squared. So because this is big and this one's small, I'll write my formula like this. With a capital R and a lowercase r. Okay? Now, to find the area of the big circle, you can see here, if I just turn my sheet around, the radius of the big circle, so pretend the middle part doesn't exist, the radius of the big circle is 23. Okay, so my R for the big circle, so my capital R here, is 23. All right. So R equals 23. Now for my small circle, my little r, you can see here that half of the little circle, so now we're ignoring the outside, but just look at the little green circle on the inside, half of it is 5. So my little r, my radius, is 5. And I'm all good now to start substituting those radius numbers into my formula and get an answer. So the area equals pi times 23 squared minus pi times 5 squared. Okay. Now I'm going to put in these numbers exactly how I see it. So I've got my calculator here, bracket. Now I'm putting brackets in between so that my numbers don't get jumbled up, especially with this subtraction sign in the middle. So bracket and then pi, not 3.14, times 23 squared, close bracket, minus bracket pi times 5 squared. So this is exactly how I see it. Press equals and we get an answer of 1583.362697. We are in centimetres, so centimetres squared, and I want to round this to 2 decimal places. So there's my final answer. Now, it's easy to just put in exactly what you see into your calculator, and if you make a mistake on any number up here, you can easily go back and change that and press equals again. If you do want to do it as 2 separate parts, as in actually do this calculation first, write an answer, and then do this calculation second, and then write an answer, adding in that extra step, you're more than welcome to, but if you feel confident using your calculator, which you should, this should be easy done.